guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to do a short video on how to upgrade the firmware in your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatible stereo. And in this case it's a Sony stereo. And last summer it worked fine with Apple CarPlay, but this year something's wrong. You can play about one song and then it disconnects from Apple CarPlay, and then the only way to get it to reconnect is to unhook the phone and hook it back up. So I went on the Sony website, and there is a new firmware update, and it does mention issues with Apple CarPlay. So in this video we're just gonna upgrade the firmware and see if that fixes the problem.
Event detection recording 1 occurred.
Okay, so I'm going to plug the USB into the stereo.
Continuous recording will now start.
Go over to settings, general, firmware version, update. New firmware version available. So I'm going to hit cancel. I want to start the car first. Just so I don't lose power in the middle of the update. Okay, so settings, general, firmware version, update. The update. Okay, for some reason it's asking me to disconnect from port 1 and go into port 2. I don't know why. Hey guys, so I had a chance to test this out, and it fixed the problem. Apple CarPlay works perfect now. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Okay guys, that probably took about 4 or 5 minutes to do the firmware update. Anyway, I'm going to test it, see if it works. I can't do it on camera because I don't have any copyright-free music on my phone. So anyway, I'll let you know how it worked out, and hope this helps somebody out. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one.